In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a shape in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to take any photo and cleanly clip it inside a circle, a rectangle, or any custom shape, all while keeping things editable. Start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app and loading the design file you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new frame so you have a clean space to build in. Next, prepare your images. You can use one or many, drag them directly into Figma, or place them using the File menu. Larger, high-quality images will give you the best result once they're clipped. It also helps to rename your layers so you can tell your images and shapes apart at a glance. Now decide on the shape you want to use. You can draw a rectangle, an ellipse for a perfect circle, or try polygons and stars. You can also use any vector shape you've created with the pen tool. Position the image roughly where you want it in relation to the shape. The key detail here is layer order. The shape that defines the cutout should sit above the image in the Layers panel. If it isn't, right-click the shape and bring it forward, or drag the layer above the image. With the shape on top and the image beneath it, select both layers together. Right-click and choose Use as Mask. Instantly, your image will appear neatly clipped inside the shape. If you prefer shortcuts, use Command plus Option M on a Mac or Control plus Alt Pem on Windows to apply the mask. To fine-tune the result, double-click into the masked group. You can move or scale the image inside the shape without altering the shape itself, or select the shape to adjust its size, corner radius, or path. If the image looks cropped in a way you don't like, reposition it inside the mask until it feels balanced. If the mask doesn't look right, check the layer order again. Remember, the shape must be on top. Want to repeat this for more images? Follow the exact same process. Prepare your image, place or draw your shape, ensure the shape sits above the image, select both, and use the mask command. You can keep everything tidy by grouping each masked pair and naming it clearly. That's all it takes to put images inside shapes in Figma, simple, flexible, and completely editable as your design evolves.